how to download and install the GCash app on iPhone. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to download and install the GCash app on your iPhone. To get started, first, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Next, go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search bar and type GCash, then select the GCash app from the results. If you've downloaded the app before, you'll see a small cloud icon instead of the download button. Tap on that icon to start the download. Wait for the download to finish, and once it's complete, simply tap on the open button to launch the app. And that's how you can download and install the GCash application on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.